Hey, we're back again, CFS. If you're following us, subscribe to our channel. This is CFS, and we have a video, short little video that we've abbreviated for guys that are doing the DWX 724 stand, putting an axle on there. We've never done a video for one of these, and here's how we think could be another way of doing it. So what you have here, this is the axle kit for this particular stand, and you would get 2 tires, you get the axle, you get your spindle bolts, you get your anchoring bolts, and tools you'll need are 3 Allen wrenches, a 5mm, 3/16, 5/32. Spacer comes in the kit with the stand to clear this so you can move this out, and 1/2-inch wrench, and in this case we're using an 8-inch adjustable wrench or crescent wrench. And so we've taken the time to drill this already, but we got our template on there. The template in the kit will be included. You cut it out, you tape it to your stand, and then you go ahead and clamp. I like using the spring clamp to kind of help position it, and then I'll put usually 1 clamp here, 1 clamp here. Once I get it and I like it, it looks like I'm lined up over my holes on the template, I'll go ahead and take my drill and I'll drill my first hole. Once I get my first hole drilled, we recommend that you take one of the bolts that comes in the kit and put it in that first hole. Go ahead and put the lock washer on there, and I'll put my nut, and I'll just snug it for right now. And I'm going to take one last look to see that this seems like it's sitting level. You want to make sure that this is all, not kittywampus, because it'll still work, but your stand will be a little tilted. And so once I have that where I want it, I'll go ahead and torque this. I'll remove one of the clamps, the outboard clamp, and I'll actually take this clamp. Just make sure it's secured, and I'll come back and drill the last hole. Once I get the last hole drilled, I can now take my clamps off and I'll leave that on there just so I can get my bolt out so the axle doesn't want to fall down. Pull my template off, put my axle back on, put the lock washers on, once you get it snug, then you should finish off the tightening with the nut itself, not the actual bolt. And then that is that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my tires that come in the kit. So you take your spindle bolts, take one of the jam nuts off, thread it through, start it on your axle. Now you want to have a little bit of preload so you're not spinning on the races. The actual races are somewhat stationary. You don't want it too tight because then you won't be able to roll it. So you got to find the sweet spot on it, trying to get it so that's a little too tight. So I just back it off just a little bit. And then I'll go ahead and put my other one on. Spindle bolt. And then torque that and make sure you got enough there where she'll spin freely. There we go. You just now installed your axle on your DWX 724, and now it's mobile. Thanks again for liking or sharing or subscribing. If you do, that'd be great. We want to keep bringing you more content and giving you very informative videos. Thanks again. Hope you see you next time. Bye now.
What's the matter, buddy? What's the matter?